Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the pattern and exact segment sequence you must close. Know which doubles or trebles are required. Stand with feet placed the same way each time and square your shoulder to the line so your arm path is repeatable. Once aligned, grip the dart comfortably and make 2 practice throws to feel release timing. This establishes rhythm and reduces variance, so when you step through full throws, you already have the correct alignment and consistent motion. Now you execute the middle sequence by breaking the pattern into manageable groups, aiming for 1-2 required segments per turn. After each visit, assess shot placement and adjust aim by small increments rather than big corrections so you don't overcompensate. Maintain a measured pace, slow setup, a focused breath, then a rhythmic release and controlled follow-through. This keeps throws consistent under pressure. Make sure to prioritize accuracy over speed, because steady repetition here closes gaps and sets up the finish. To finish, pick the exact checkout sequence and commit. Visualize the final dart landing, then stick to the same mechanics you used earlier. If you fall behind, shift to higher percentage doubles or split targets that give multiple outs, rather than forcing risky trebles. If multiple darts miss the same side, pause and adjust either your stance angle or the plane of release. Small changes correct systemic error. If problems persist, take 1 practice throw to recalibrate and then resume. This prevents repeated mistakes and preserves confidence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.